So guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to episode 1 of Jason's restoration on his Series 1 RS Turbo. He's currently doing a little story for Instagram, so go follow him on Instagram. But as you can see, he is so high class, I suppose, I don't want to get it dirty too much, that we've employed one of our friends that's got this beautiful Mark II Transit that's been converted into a low-loading car carrying thingamabob. That's how cool is this? So you're starting episode 1, we're starting episode 1 with this look of Jason's RS Turbo about to be delivered down to MJG Grits, where it will be getting a full restoration underneath. We will be chasing this car down every time an update comes up. You will see a new episode, but we're going to leave these guys to take it down there, and we'll pick this up once it's on the ramp and we know what's going on. Right, so here we are down at, actually it's the new MJG Grits, because Martin, we haven't been here yet. The camera ain't seen none of this. This is like, madness. We've got Jason, we've got Martin. I'm gonna let you guys have a moment here, because Martin's already sort of gone through it. Jason's having a little cry in the corner, unfortunately, because although it isn't that bad, don't get me wrong. Yeah, and now Martin's like, well, what we're going to do is we're strip the whole car out, right? So let's go front to back and just explain what's going to happen, what we found, and what's going to happen, because what was going to happen is now more. We can start the back end. Martin, let's go this way.
I'm just going to listen.
I'm going to listen.
I said to you, well, those nice, didn't I?
They'll be lovely in black, won't they?
Yeah, and then there was the fuel tanks the wrong colour.
That must be silver.
So that must be silver.
This wants to be calibrated again.
Yeah.
There's loads of stuff going on.
Okay, so starting here though, you want to just readdress everything here anyway, so that was already going to happen.
Already polybushed.
Already polybushed, look at that.
Strip off, blast, powder coat, re-polybush, fit back up.
Lovely.
I get what
easy, easy. That's
really
easy
nice,
work.
It? But it will look really nice. And then like Jason will clean the exhaust, but then like
this bit.
What are we going to do?
So initially from the factory there would have been white painted. In theory?
No,
or as far as they would have been like sprayed here.
Through the middle of the car,
yeah.
it's kind of a dusting overspray of
right, okay. So not full on painted underneath, like whatever that is, yeah. Okay, and obviously this has had a restoration at some point, we'll point that out.
2009,
and it's got flaws, it's got, you know, bits and bobs.
Well, we know it's got flaws because
this is the bit.
Kind of, it's good.
It's good under there, but
it just doesn't look very good, does it?
No.
So what, in my eyes,
yep.
What am I going to do? I'm going to dust it over. It will look nice for a minute, but it will be nice. But
it's not what you want, though, is it?
It is nice.
Yes, it's got to be nice. So what is this? This is just under seal or under coating that someone, right?
Like someone has put new floor pans in, gone heavy with the Schultz gun.
Yeah, which will, in theory, save the rust. It will do. Yeah, it is protecting the car.
Commonplace from the rust, isn't it? And there's no rust. That is as metal as it gets.
Still.
Yeah, yeah.
But obviously, this isn't what you wanted to hear, is it?
As we all know, I love this car.
Yes.
And I don't want to uncover stuff.
I love this car. I love this car.
But I also agree that it does need to be done now.
Yes.
I think like here, like this bit, someone's obviously jacked it up hero-ish a few times.
Yes, of course.
What? You know, I might as well get the can of white and just go and call it a day. Look, you go like that and go,
cool, that's nice under there, but
the thing is, I can't have a red Escort van that's nicer than an RS Turbo.
no, you can't, and everybody knows now what the underneath of that looks like, so this sort of has to follow suit in that sense, because it could do with it. It needs it because of the value. Yes, I understand, but it's because it's your car.
Have a look under there.
Yeah, and it's like, whoa, awesome.
And I think if it is like it is, you know, it looks good from what we can see. We'll blast it off, work our way across.
Blast it off.
We'll blast.
Let's not blast.
We'll correct, obviously, like bits like this. It's been jacked up.
A couple of times, yeah.
Couldn't be any more different, could it?
No. Other ends of the spectrum.
He removes the paint, it's gone. and for me,
That scares you.
unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to come down for a few weeks now.
No.
Might see you on a Sunday in Sainsbury's. But
But other than that, I don't want to see my car getting completely. Yeah, pause it there and just make sure. Yeah, you're happy.
With the invite down here was you.
Yeah, just to stick my camera in and then show you after. Like, I don't want to see
Yeah,
it.
no, I'll sit down on a Friday and watch it when you put it up.
Yeah, that'd be nice. That'd be nice.
Or we don't blast it, and you do come down.
Stop picking away at the floor while saying
Mate, can you stop, please?
Do you know
Do
what?
Pick, pick, pick,
I said-
pick, pick.
You know what? They blast it.
I said to the boys this morning. No, actually, sorry. One of the boys said to me this morning, "Do you just want to scrape?" I go, "No,
No, don't do that. Not until he's here. Yeah, yeah.
The camera, do you want to go get a scraper?
Yep.
Yeah, so let's just have a look what's actually underneath this, because you could be working with something you don't know.
The toolbox contains just
Scrapers. As if we're in the right place for it, mate. Look at this.
What are we going to unearth? Would it not be easier to scrape it rather than blast it?
Yeah, if you could spend like the next 20 days doing that one job.
thousands of pounds.
Worth of stuff in here getting done. Tea's coming, lovely.
Thousands of pounds worth of equipment.
I've
to
already scored.
Get it done.
Can you
get it
get it in?
done.
Can you get it in there?
Yeah, we'll get it in there.
So that's not the best finish that you want, is it, Jason? Let's be honest.
So what they've done here, there's been no keying up at all.
No.
That metal. It's still the black.
Oh, yeah,
what you
isn't
would have
it?
got with a floor pan.
Yeah.
And they've just gone, we'll Schultz it. There's been no. So what you got to remember is it's going to go in there. We'll give it the full blast treatment, which then it's already keyed.
Yeah.
On with a nice coat of primer. Oh, lovely.
Oh, it's lovely.
Over
It's
and
really
then you
lovely.
decide
You're getting me
then
excited
do
now.
we Schultz it or underseal.
Underseal.
As in what it should have a bit of underseal along here, and then this should be lovely.
Yeah.
You know, we're at that point then, we might as well get it all off
I
and go,
think it's never going to be getting wet.
we'll just,
more like the red band was.
Yeah.
yeah.
Mint. But other than that, though, rust-wise, the thing is, though, rust-wise, it isn't really there until you know all of this is off and you know that there isn't damp underneath it.
Good, you know,
Yeah.
It's not a bad car.
Yeah. That's the main thing here.
You know,
Yeah, that's really bad, though, isn't it? I mean, it's not bad. All right, it's really bad. Yeah, it's okay. Don't listen to. Sorry about this, everybody. Yeah, that is something. What does he even know? He doesn't even know Series
No,
1.
he's quite right.
No, I mean, like, at the end of the day, he's out. So yeah, at the end of the day, you don't want that on the bottom of your RS Turbo, do you? Yeah.
I am right.
Yeah, right. There's no quite right about it. So yes, that all needs to come off, doesn't it? So he's gone off. You don't want to listen to this bit, but what are you going to do here? What's the plan?
So first plan,
Pull a lot off.
Hubs, shocks. Huh? Paint, yes.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah. So
what
that's
I'm gonna
happening. Yeah, what are you going to do?
I've got new parts.
Okay.
So
So,
I've got new shocks, Phil Steins.
oh lovely.
Yeah.
So yeah, when it all goes back together, the main thing is rear arms, front arms.
Yeah.
They all need doing. Anything that's black needs preserving. New clip.
I'll just put that over there, mate. Don't, yeah. If you could, that'd be great. Chip. But yeah, other than those parts, underneath here, you are going to have to
Yeah, so
really go in on it,
what
aren't
I'm gonna
you?
do basically is strip the whole thing off. Brake lines, everything, fuel lines, exhaust. From basically here back, all this
Mm-hmm.
is coming off. We'll strip it all down. All of the components, once we've debushed, will go into the blaster.
Right.
That
Yeah.
will get blasted.
In
and
here,
powder coated
lovely.
Gloss black or
Satin.
Satin, so factory, yeah.
Yeah.
So satin black, that'll all get satin black. Hubs, obviously, with the bearings, are we going to put new bearings in, or are we going to?
They're all new.
Okay, so
maintenance wise, I'm pretty on
yeah,
it.
so
Yeah.
we're going to clean the hubs up. We're going to repaint the hubs. You've got new shocks, so that's good. We'll clean the calipers. Paint the calipers.
Yeah.
Paint the
Paint the
calipers,
calipers.
factory
Cosy
colour,
calipers, they'll be
cosy
going,
calipers,
yeah,
nice. Yeah, nice.
So basically, everything you see here will be nice satin black. Drive shafts look pretty new anyway.
Yeah, because we like breaking those.
Yeah, that's it.
My question to you, on camera, is what we do about this? Jimmy says buy a new one, but I thought,
No,
can you blast and silver this?
yeah, I'll paint it. I will paint it silver.
Yeah,
yeah.
because these are supposed to be silver from factory. We'll point out.
Super on the lids. I think Jimmy's going to put it in the recovery truck.
Yeah, the Pinto-powered recovery truck. Yes, we'll have that very much. But yeah, the idea is then silver in the bits that need silver in, black in the bits that need black in, taking all of this off, making sure there isn't loads of rust underneath, which there won't be. Hopefully, thank you. Hopefully, but obviously we will know in a future episode if that's actually the case. Someone has done a really good job here, though. It's just that bit concerns you more than anything.
This is a period restoration. In 2009,
Yes.
when this car was worth $5,000.
Yeah, that was perfect. It didn't matter.
This was great
Yeah.
because it would go for MOT and it wouldn't fail.
It's
Yeah.
things like this. Look, that bolt
Yeah.
shouldn't be white, should it?
No, no, not at all.
You look under there, from there, and you go.
I've also
Why is that
bought
white?
a 100-piece new bolt kit.
Oh wow.
So,
And they're all the right
Yeah.
colours as
you know,
well.
white, satin black, silver,
Yeah.
Horace exhaust, cool.
Of course, you'll be lovely. So yeah, I think all in all though, you know what you're dealing with. There shouldn't be much rust. Hopefully the next episode is you not telling him how bad it is and then you going, please don't put that video out. Yeah, I don't want to see you. Yeah, I understand. I completely understand.
No Snapchats either. Nothing.
No, nothing, mate. No Instagram, not in none of it. Like, yeah.
Only thing I would, handbrake cable, new handbrake cable,
Yep. Okay, that'd be good.
and then a couple of little clips. But really,
You're gonna.
getting stuff wise, you've got the bolts.
Yeah.
We're just it's already
Good news
polymerized.
about MJG is you can repowder coat. So
Yeah.
anything he blasts,
Comes off
I can
and gets
have finished
redone.
in the finish I want.
Yeah.
So
In
we
house.
don't have to buy new stuff.
Nah.
We can make all this at you, which is
Yeah.
really exciting.
Yeah.
That's really,
You
really
know,
good,
like
isn't
you
it?
say, I've only got to buy a handful of little bits and pieces,
Yeah.
which
That-
is great news.
Yeah.
That
really,
2008
really good.
Focus I've just done, the subframe on that, you would have looked at it and gone, that's no good.
Yeah.
It's like, it's a throwaway item.
Wow, okay.
Plastered it off, powder coated it, it was gloss black, and it looked brand new.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Looked brand new.
mate.
So yeah, it's gonna, we'll get some good pictures before and we'll get
Yeah.
some good pictures after.
So yeah, we will update you guys when stuff starts happening. Really.
Yeah.
Jason probably won't be in it because he doesn't want to see it.
You're telling me he's not gonna come down?
Of course he will. He'll be like,
yeah,
"Nah, what are you doing to my car?" Say it in the video, and then he'll be here.
Might need some sugar in me next to
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, but we will update you guys once we have a bit of progress. I think. Awesome.